Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I don't know about you, but I'm a huge fan of chickpea pasta. It is super delicious, and this Banza is my favorite brand. I love to get this variety pack because you get 6 boxes and there's 3 different shapes of pasta, and they are all delicious, and it's so nice to have the option of different shapes whenever you want them. So it comes with 2 each of shells, rotini, and penne pasta. And what I love about Banza pasta is that, first of all, it's delicious, it's gluten-free, and it has a lot more protein and higher fiber than traditional wheat pasta, but you don't compromise on the flavor. You just get a lot more bang for your buck. So I really love this because it cooks up like normal pasta. You just boil it. Depending on the shape of the pasta, it may be more or less time. You rinse it off because sometimes the chickpeas have a little bit of a foam that comes out of the cooking process. And then you can go ahead and mix it with your favorite sauce or your toppings, whatever you like, and it is so good. So if you're looking for a way to have delicious pasta that maybe adds a little bit of extra fiber or protein to your diet, or maybe you need to eat gluten-free, then I would definitely recommend this pasta. It's so delicious, and I love having the variety pack. And that's my point of view.